Let's start with today's session. Today we are going to start with the practical implementations of the JavaScript. So in the previous session we just talked about that like what is JavaScript and all the basic things we discussed. And today I am going to start with the practical implementations of JavaScript. In the previous session I also told you that you have to install this Node software into the system. This link if you click, so here you reach and you will be getting this node.js.org website, and you have to download this like you can say LTS version. Okay, it is a stable download. So this you have to download. I hope you have already installed it. Now I am just moving further with the practical implementation. So let's do it. So simply, as I told before, that JavaScript is a programming language and Java and JavaScript both are different. Okay. There are multiple, you can say, like frameworks of JavaScript like React, JS, Angular, Vue, Node. These all are the kind of frameworks, and they are having their different implementations. There are different engines, the JavaScript engines to run the Java code. Node.js is one of them, which we are using, which we are going to use. It is a lightweighted programming language, as I said before. So, lightweighted scripting language, actually, when we say lightweighted programming language, so it is considered to be an scripting language, okay? And simply, after the installation of Node.js, what you have to do, let me tell you. Once you have installed the Node, you will be coming towards the command prompt, okay? Just come to the command prompt, and here you can simply type nodes node space hyphen v for version. If I press enter, so you can see 18.14.0 is the version which I am using. Why to do so? Just while doing this, you will be able to understand that okay, Node.js is installed in my system properly. That is why this is coming. Otherwise, if it was not installed, so this version will be not shown. So simply Node.js is installed. This is a kind of proof, and yes, you know that which version you are using. Okay, so that was the thing which you have to do here on the, you can say, command prompt. Now I am going to use the VS Code editor, Visual Studio Code editor, you can say, for this particular stuff to run the JavaScript codes. I am opening a new window here in the VS Code, and it is really a interesting software which is having a lot of stuff to work with. So I'm just opening this particular folder in our VS Code. So in the documents, I have just created this JavaScript folder, and it is having the folder programs inside it. Welcome screen I'm closing. So whenever you create a JavaScript code, you will be definitely taking it with the .js, you can say like extension. And here, when we will be creating it, we will be creating with like inside this folder with the extension .js. Another thing, control tilde symbol, like the escape key is there. That is simply on the top right left corner of your keyboard. Below that, you are having tilde symbol. So if you press control tilde, so you will be able to get this embedded terminal here. You can see this terminal is present here, and this I'm just closing it, and it comes with the help of control tilde. So control tilde will be giving this. So here we will be able to run our code. Okay, that is the point. Now, one more important thing which I would like to discuss with before moving further, that is ECMA version. So ECMA script is the full form of ECMA is European Computer Manufacturers Association. Okay, you don't have to remember it every time, but yes, you should know that European Computer Manufacturers Association script, and it is a, like you can say like it is standard. Okay, ECMAScript is a standard which is given for the JavaScript. So there are very like you can say different versions of like ECMAScript present. ECMA is simply ES. Okay, it is called ES, ES6, ES7. There are multiple versions present, and you can see ECMAScript is a JavaScript standard. It's written here. So there are many particular languages which are having the scripting things into it. So the base standard is created, and that is created by the ECMA. So ECMAScript we use the norms, the rules are written in the ECMAScript, you can say, and those we use when we are implementing the JavaScript. That is the point. There are multiple versions like ES1, 2, 3. Like we will be learning from ES6 and above. Okay, 6 and above, because the 6 is the very stable version. So ES6 we will be starting with, and we will be moving further with multiple implementations of different versions.